Hi friends, welcome to Vinsa Health Tips. We bring an awareness on health. Today's topic is on how to detox your body. Nowadays, many people are spending lots of money for following special diets and expensive supplements to detox their body. But many research guides says it is all waste of money and time because your body is well designed to eliminate toxins and the organs which plays an important role in removal of toxins are liver, kidneys, digestive system, skin and lungs. So it is clear that only when these organs are healthy, they can eliminate unwanted substances like toxins from your body effectively. You can improve or enhance your body's natural detoxification system by following these tips. First thing, drink more water. It regulates your body temperature, lubricates joints, aids digestion and nutrient absorption, and detoxifies your body by removing waste products. So staying hydrated is very important for detoxification. The daily intake of water is 2 to 3 liters. Second thing, reduce your intake of salt and sugar. Consuming too much salt can cause your body to retain excess fluid that can cause bloating and extra water weight gain. High consumption of sugary beverages can cause fatty liver that impacts on liver function, which play important role in detoxification. Third point, limit eating junk food. By consuming less junk food, you can keep your body's detoxification system healthy. Replacing junk food with healthier choices like fruits and vegetables keeps your body detox. Fourth point, eat fiber-rich food. Fiber can cleanse your gastrointestinal tract by eliminating wastes. You can prefer eating whole grains like brown rice, oats and legumes. Gut health is very important for keeping your detoxification system healthy. Fifth point, get active. Regular physical activity lowers inflammation, keeps your immune system healthy and allows your body's detoxification system to work properly. Sixth point, eat antioxidant rich foods. Eating a diet rich in antioxidant can help your body fight oxidative stress caused by excess free radicals and other toxins that increase your risk of disease. Two beverages, that is coffee and green tea, have some of the highest amounts of antioxidants. Seventh point, eat sulfur containing foods. Foods high in sulfur are onions, garlic and the vegetable sources like cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts and kale, and even eggs also has the sulfur. It enhances excretion or removal of heavy metals like cadmium. Sulfur is important for producing glutathione, which is your body's most important antioxidant. Many of us will find difficulty in having herbs or green leafy vegetables. So I recommend one product, that is Oziva Superfood Greens and Herbs, which contain chlorella and lots of herbs that helps in detoxification and maintains the pH level of the body. You can have this powder with water early in the morning on an empty stomach before breakfast. Eighth point, limit alcohol consumption. More than 90% of alcohol is metabolized in your liver. Excessive drinking can severely damage your liver function that reduces your liver's ability to carry out its normal functions such as detoxifying. And the simplest way for detoxifying your whole body is to drink lots of water and to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. And sometimes you can follow the intermittent fasting, which helps to cleanse your gut. So that's it for today. Stay healthy, stay tuned, watch our videos and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed, and also like the video if you like it to encourage us to do such more videos. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.